All I'm just saying is you sound nothing like 10.
I am.
Are you sure? Because you kind of sound 8.
No, I'm 10.
No, I'm not going to report you. It's just tell your real age.
What?
Just tell your real age. Like, I'm not going to report you or some shit. Why do you sound nothing like 10, though?
Dad. Hey, Dad. Dad. Aren't I 10?
Well, I didn't hear his background, so you really can't prove it. All I'm just saying is,
I'm 10.
are you sure? Because I didn't hear your dad's background.
My dad is he.
Well, why don't I hear your dad in your background then? Yeah, exactly.
Here's proof. Here's my long
Yeah, exactly.
arms.
Long arms. Okay, I have longer arms than that probably.
No, you don't.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Yeah, but why do you sound nothing like 10? You sound like a squeaky. You sound like a squeaky.
No, I am 10.
Are you sure?
Yep.
I don't know if you're 10 or not. I really don't know. That's the thing. Also, you sound nothing like 10. And also, all I'm just saying is you probably switched your, all I'm just saying is, come here. You're doing the upside down glitch. I know how to do that. I even know how to do that, bro. I'll even show you. That doesn't prove that you're at 10. You have your head upside down because of the long arms. I'll even show you.